Good evening, traders. This is Coach Alex, freedomtradingclub.com. Wrapping up the week, it's Friday, August 25th, 2023, and it's been a great week. Today was Fed announcement. They've been in Jackson Hole, and I guess you could title today's video, Did the Fed Make a Difference? We don't think so. They were on both sides saying inflation was tame, but they might have to raise rates. The market really couldn't decide, but it was ready to rally from being oversold in the first place. We still remain bearish, and after a brief rally, we'll be continuing to look for shorts. Meanwhile, though, we go with the trend, and we thought the market would respond favorably. Usually in that case, you push the market down a little bit to rally it. So we tried a couple of shorts. Let's get in with the recap right here. 7:36 a.m. We went short at 34,246. And it wasn't going too much to the lows. It was stalling, so we covered that with a 9-point win. And this is the Dow averages, of course. And then later, it got a little more overbought. The volume picked up at 8:50 a.m. We went short, 34,303. And this one, we were able to get a first target and a final target. We closed at 34,244. Two good winners. Well, after the market opened, we were looking for that pullback into support. And as soon as it hooks up, our method is to go long. Well, we did right here. If you look at the 953 long at 34,267, and guess what? We immediately got hit with a 30-point loss. And another frustrating thing, right? Has it ever happened to you? You get out just at the bottom right before the market takes off. How should that affect your trading? Should you worry about it? Get mad? Get emotional? Nope. Like any athlete, like Tom Brady throwing an interception, you have a short-term memory and you get back in and look for the next setup. And it happened about 6 minutes later. So at 10:02, same setup, but this one worked out a lot better. 34,240. We went long, 30-point stop, which was never hit. And this one ran up first target 276. And then finally flat at 321, more than made up for that loss, which we didn't remember, except for now. All right, trying to get choppy, so we're trying to be a little careful. In this case, we didn't pull back and get long, which we probably should have here. We thought it was a little overbought. It came back down a little and didn't get low enough, so we had to pay up. Very seldom do we do that, but in this case, it was like a W breakout. So we went long. This was 10:14 a.m., 34,281, and that one just accelerated right to 363. Most traders were able to quit trading for the rest of the day and the week and start their weekend early. But the few who remained, we stuck around. And here's our next trade. We were being kind of patient. There were some good trades there, but we just passed on them. And right before lunchtime, we had that good pullback and the market reversed on good volume. And as you can see, at 11:58 went long, 34,204, and got out at 256. Obviously, the first target was hit right about there at 223. And definitely done. A couple of traders took this one, but at 12:20. But I did not return until after lunchtime. We came back at 1:50 p.m., a little bit before that, and you could see the market had bottomed and again broke out to the upside. After this like double bottom, it was breaking out. So at 1:50, we took a long 34,276, got out 34,336, and more traders started their weekend. The few who were remaining before the close, this was a client's idea. The Wise Trade, goes by the name Wise Trade in our room, suggested that the market might sell off. We bought into that because it made sense. The market's been weak. Who wants to remain long all weekend? So once the market peaked out and couldn't make a new high, and it did come down, he was already short up here. He went short right near the top. So he's holding it. And of course, we wanted to catch up. So instead of chasing it down here, we waited for the first touch rule. And at 342, We called the short at 34,429 and got out at 84. And that's where our client got out. That was a pretty good trade in the last hour of trading. So for those of you who are interested in learning more about our system, our very successful methodology, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, before you pay anyone a penny, check out our website. Once you sign up, in the top right corner, you can register for a free 3-day trial. In addition, starting Monday and perhaps ending Monday, for the first 10 people who sign up for the free 3-day trial, once you're in our online room, all you have to do is type in a request to be included in a free orientation that Coach Dan, who's had experience on the floor of the Chicago exchanges, who will go over the orientation with you. It's free, no charge, explaining our methods, what we do, what we trade, how we trade it, what you can expect. You'll find it very informative, with the idea of once you understand what we're doing, you'll sign up as a permanent client. Our founders, including myself, called over 99,000 trades since 2006. We also, besides the online room, we offer private coaching, and that'll give you an extra edge on your trades. So please subscribe to freedomtradingclub.com on YouTube, and we will continue to post these videos. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.